Make sure you tap on the screen and make sure you share it. God bless you, those that are tapping into the gifts. I'm declaring over your name that every curse and every spell placed over your name, I feel like anointing your name. I need you to mention your name in the comment section and make sure your children's names in the comment section as I decree and declare over your name that every curse of rejection, every curse of stagnation, and every curse of bitterness, I declare that it is broken in the name of Jesus.
Friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I have these jobs, Amazon jobs, and most of the time you do forget that Amazon have remote jobs as well. In today's video I'm going to share with you remote jobs. You can work with Amazon. Let me go to my screen. As you can see, you can go on your Google browse, type Amazon jobs. This is what you can do. Type Amazon jobs, and then you will go here, right here, Amazon jobs. This is what you can see. They have so many jobs, and if you go job categories, there is administrative support, there is different jobs, and if you can filter, you can write remote right here. Okay, you'll see they have so many jobs, and yeah, you can see, you can filter full-time, part-time. You can also filter remote jobs. Let me show you right here. Yeah, you can see they have so many jobs, 14 jobs remote. And for example, this is customer service training specialist. Customer service, this is the job number. The location is in the United States. This location is in the US, New York. This is team manager. If you have experience, anything related to management, you can check out. So for example, this job was posted 3 days ago, and as you can see, it is customer service training specialist. And for those with no experience, there is something like let me show you something like this: customer service training specialist. If you click here, for example, you will see they have like a little minimum of experience. So they say basic qualification: demonstrated experience working remote with the remote team, at least 2 years of experience in instruction design and training experience, including with articulated 360 tools, excellent communication skills. Okay, flexibility with full-time schedule, including shift assignment on weekends or evenings. Okay, experience in carrying out activities in training circles, and so many more. Only 2 years of experience, you can work with Amazon. As you can see, this is customer service training specialist. Okay, not only this one, they have other jobs. I'm gonna show you other jobs. You can actually filter maybe United States. You see how many jobs they have. Click here more. Okay, no, this is management one. You can see 6 years. We don't need this one. We actually want a job with a little minimum of experience. Let me see. So let's see this in this category. Find jobs by job category. Let's say if you are someone who is interested in marketing, you can click here. They have 300 jobs openings. So there is marketing coordinator, marketing manager, strategic communication manager, and so on. So let's see if you can filter maybe part-time jobs. You can see there is full-time, internship, part-time, temporary, seasonal jobs, and so on. So the things is you can filter maybe United States, India, Japan, and so on. So for example, this job was posted February 1st, 10 hours ago, and you can see this is principal in employee relations customer service. Let's see the years of experience. It says bachelor degree is required, call center, employee and labor relations is required, experience working with multiple countries, culture, experience in both union or non-union environment, and so on. Things you have to take care of is if you have these skills: Excel, Word, SharePoint, PowerPoint. Yeah, curious about new learning technology. You have to show interest that you are curious about learning new technology. Let's say we are interested to see experience. how many years of experience they are requesting you to have. They say management experience. We make recruiting decision based on your experience and skills. We vary your passion and discover, invent simply and build. So you can see there is not anything like how many years, exactly how many years do you have in this job experience, but anything you have related to this kind of job, you can bring it to this Amazon and try to see if you can apply with your resume, and make sure you include keywords in your resume. This is very very important. If you want me to do like keyword demonstration in next video, let me know in the comment. This is principal employee relations, customer service. This is Amazon jobs. Continue to filter according to your location, according to what you are looking for. So they have this one, operation engineer. If you click here, this is the job number, operation engineer, and we have to see how many years of experience they want. So they want you to have degree in industry engineering, mechanical engineering, or other STEM field, experience in project management and implementation, experience in CAD software, CAD, AutoCAD, and so on. Requirement qualification, master's degree in engineering, operation. These are preferred qualification, okay? Experience in Microsoft project, Smartsheet, and so forth. This is a remote job you can find on Amazon, operations engineer. So the pay of this job, based off the pay for this position, is ranging from 48 to the lowest, depending on the graphic market, up to 93 per year. This is a good pay, guys, okay? So it depends on your location, on the market of the everything. So make sure you check out this job. So this is technical associate. This is virtual location. The location is virtual, you can see. This is technical associate. This is a good job. So if you click here, technical associate, you'll see this type of job. They want you to have 3 years of experience. Work flexible schedule, shift work area, including weekend, night, and holidays. 2 years experience in technical support. So if you have experience in technical support, it's a good time for you to start looking for jobs on Amazon as well. Yes, 2 years of experience supporting consumer Wi-Fi and mesh networking platform. So 2 years of working with firewall configuration, parental control, and so on. So these are other requirements preferred. 2 years of customer service experience. Yes, proven successful first past support environment. Excellent verbal and communication skills is required both in English, Spanish, Germany, or French, anything you might know, even Italian. So we have this job. This job will start in June 2024. And this job, as you can see, was posted 2 days ago. And you can see if you click here, graduate area shift manager. Let me check the basic qualification. Basic qualification is you obtained or are working toward bachelor's degree. If you are flexible to relocate to position if needed. Okay, this is if needed. If you are really willing to work in non-traditional shift partner with many including night and weekend, yes, you can see this job is with no experience, because here they say preferred qualification, but it is not required. If you have previous experience, is even better. So this job is with no experience, and you can work virtually with Amazon, and the position is graduate area shift manager. And this job you will start in June 2024. This is the starting day. So there is this other job with Amazon, market manager. Okay, Chicago Western Sub. If you are willing to work in this time zone, let's see how many years of experience. This is basic qualification, 2 years of working experience in retail sales, high school diploma or equivalent. Yes, it is required to possess a mobile phone compatible with iOS or Android operation system. So here there is other qualification preferred but it's not a must. 6 years of relevant in working experience in retail sales. Bachelor degree is preferred as well. Strong verbal and written communication skills, attention to details, ability to complete multiple activities simultaneously. So this is market manager. So it means on Amazon you can find actually a job on Amazon with only 2 years of experience and you become a market manager. Guys, this is very exciting, and make sure you check every single day on Amazon because they have so many jobs and they are hiring every single day. If you click here, let's say a frequent asked question, they have so many questions related to, let's say, about resume. So what if I don't have a resume? It's better to write one, or you have one created for you but you can still apply without resume. So it means with Amazon you can even apply without resume. So but it is recommended to have resume. I also encourage you to have your resume and cover it as well. When a resume is requested, upload brief description of your background or experience, education and skills. Why do I have to create application profile? Why I can't use Amazon customer login? So we take the customer's trust and security very seriously to make sure their customer and candidate's sensitive information is protected. They request you to create a separate one for job application. Should I send samples of my work, writing code, or anything with resume? If you are selected for the interview, yes, you can bring those ones in the interview or submit those ones in the interview. What is Amazon interview process? Visit interviewing at Amazon to learn about each steps of application interview process, from completing online application to preparing for phones or in-person interview. You can see here, if you click here, you will see the process: online application, assessment, phone screening, and also interview lobs. Yes, these are 4 steps you have to consider when you are applying jobs with Amazon. Do I have to upload resume? So no, you don't have to upload resume because we said with no resume, yes, you can apply with Amazon. Okay, you have to, of course, make sure you read the job description and you upload your skills. This is very important. Can I upload a resume using LinkedIn? Yes, you can do that. My application status has not changed. Can I apply to multiple roles? Yes, you can. So what is the countries that Amazon hires students? We recruit internship and full-time roles in more than 40 countries across the America, Asia, Europe, Australia, Middle East, and Africa. Yes, Amazon can hire you from Africa as well. Should I apply for internship or wait to apply for full-time jobs? We recommend apply for internship and learn firsthand, that is like work at Amazon, but we still welcome for jobs application full-time roles. Visit this Amazon. Amazon is hiring every single day. The most important thing is to make sure your resume is ready to be submitted with Amazon. If you don't have a resume, yes, you can still highlight your skills and job description experience. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. Let me to the next video. I wanted to remind you that Amazon is hiring and you can get a full-time, part-time internship wherever you want to do with Amazon. So thank you so much. Remember to like my video, because if you like my video, I feel like motivated. I feel like to do more research and bring more jobs to you. So thank you so much as you do that. Thank you.